Welcome back to Triangle Constructions Part 2. So now we're going to give you specific side lengths or angle measures or sides and angles, and you have to draw a particular triangle. So this is triangle STU, and it has sides of 3, 4, and 5 centimeters. So we'll use our ruler and our compass to help us out with this one. So one easy way to do it is to start out by drawing your segments. So 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters, a little bit long. So you're going to use your compass to help you out. So this was your 3, that's your 4, that's your 5. So if you remember back to the previous video where we made a triangle isosceles by using our compass to open up on the segment, that's what you're going to do here. So I'm going to start out with my 3 centimeter side, just because. So 3 centimeters. So that one's done. Then I'm going to use my compass. And I'm going to take and open it so that it's 4 centimeters. And maybe this is my S. So I'm going to start at S. I'm going to draw an arc. Okay. I'm going to check off that I did the 4. And then I'll label this endpoint T. And I'll go here, and I'll open it up to 5. And then I'll make an arc. And this is what sometimes happens. See how my arcs don't intersect quite enough? So I'll go back, and this arc needs to be a little longer. So I'll just go back and fix it. So I started with the 3 centimeter segment. I opened my compass 4 centimeters. I made a really big arc. And then I opened it up to 5. I went to the other endpoint. And I made my arc. And where they intersect is going to be point U. So I'll connect those. So that was 4, and that was 5. So then I can classify my triangle. So since no sides are congruent, it's scalene. And it looks like there might be a right angle here. So I'm going to check. And if I look at it, oh, that's 90 degrees. So this is also a right triangle. And that's our first one. Our second triangle, we want triangle VWX, sides of 7 centimeters and 4 centimeters, and a 70-degree angle between those sides. So I will start out with a 7 centimeter side. And then in between I need a 70-degree angle. So I'll put an endpoint here. And I'll use my protractor. And since I'm reading the inside from 0, I'll go to 70. Okay. What I need to do is line up my straight edge, but I only want this side to be 4 centimeters. So I am just going to go all the way up to 4 and stop. So I didn't need to connect it all the way to this piece. I just used that as a guide. So that was 4 centimeters. That is a 70-degree angle. I connect the other endpoint. So this can be triangle VWX. And then I'm going to just measure the other side to see what I have. And that's not quite 7. It's about 6.8. So no sides are congruent, so it's scalene. This angle is 70. This angle looks like it's about 31. And this angle should be, if this is, 70 plus 31 equals 101. 180 minus 101 equals 79. So my third angle is 79. So no angle is over 90. So this is acute triangle as well. So by the angles, it's acute. Okay, here's our next one. This triangle is going to have a 9 centimeter base, a 40-degree angle, and a 120-degree angle at each end of this particular side. So 9 centimeters, I'm thinking maybe I might want to just turn this way so I have enough room. So, if you're not sure you have enough room, use your space. So that's 9 centimeters. Okay. Then I need to mark off a 40-degree angle. So from the inside, 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees. And this one might end up going off the page. We'll see. And then here, 120 degrees. So I need to read the outside numbers. So that's 120. So what I need to do is draw this side as far as I can go. So that's my 120. And then this side, I use my one as a guide. So this one's going to kind of be really big. So mine's going to end up going off the page. So they'll meet like way up over there. So that's kind of a big one. Okay, that will happen every once in a while. If this happens, then you can get a separate sheet of paper and make it look a little bit better. But that's what you do when you have angles at either end. So you'd mark off one, mark the other, and then extend it till they meet at the third vertex of the triangle. So this one will be obtuse because it is an obtuse angle. And none of the sides will be congruent, so it's going to be scalene. Okay. And then the last is going to be isosceles because we have two congruent sides. So we'll use our compass again. That's about the extent our compass likes to go. So we'll start with a base of 5, and we'll start down here because 9 centimeters is kind of big. So start with a base of 5 centimeters. And then you can use your ruler to mark, open it up to 9 centimeters. And then go start at one end point, make an arc. Then switch to the other end point and make an arc. And that's your vertex of your isosceles triangle. So these are 9 centimeters. They are the congruent sides. This is triangle GEO. So two congruent sides, isosceles. And none of the angles are greater than 90, so this is also acute. So that is how you can do constructions with specific information given to you.